ukubotlisha ke kum it is more like a prophecy because yayingumalume wam ewathi bana ndizoba imodel one day. Then njengomntwana wasezilalini zange ndithule engqondweni loo nto kubana ndicinga uba hayi bo njani ndisuke ezilalini. Then ke ngoku kwenzeka ke ngo-2021 if I'm not mistaken wasweleka. Then ngemini yesifiso sakhe, then I took a picture, and then when I looked at that picture, I actually saw a real Miss South Africa because he actually saw my photo and then he was like, our next Miss South Africa. Then but then that is when I actually saw that what he actually saw in me. And then I posted that photo and everyone was like, go for pageant, like go ahead and compete. So I'm actually living a prophecy right now.
Okay, so ever since uqalile culture okanye sibalisele usikhayisele ke zeziphi titles osele uzifumene?
Oh my goodness. Okay, currently I've competed in 8 pageants, but and that crown of 7 competition I crown. I didn't even make it to the top 5. So to count the few, I was crowned as Miss Unleash Girls Power Eastern Cape 2023, as Miss Portson Johns in 2022, and then also as Miss Back to God on 2023, and also as Miss Staturam in year 2022, and also as a runner-up for Miss Royal Empire South Africa in year 2022. So yeah, just a few of them.
Okay, so kulo unyaka uyi-finalist kweyiphi?
Kulo unyaka ndiyi-finalist ku-Miss Royal Regent South Africa.
Uredi kangakanani, amalungiselelo aminjani?
I am super ready. I was born ready. I am ready. Yeah, because before I get the pageant, I went as Manfunandoni. I knew where am I entering, and I knew why am I entering the pageant. So I've been ready since day one, basically. But then Tracy, Shangu, and all that. So those are the 2 things that I'm trying to tackle right now. But everything is under control.
Okay, I know zibakhona i-task enizinikwayo kufuneke nincokole ne-radio then nenze i-charity work. Ngaba kwazile uyenza i-charity work and uye wachonga eyiphi indawo?
Yes, charity work actually be submitted last week Saturday. So for charity work yam ndiqalela that donator for Miss Royal Region South Africa une campaign you donate nge-pads. So I firstly donated on that campaign ngemali so that bazokwazi bathenga i-pads bayozisa kwesi sikolo bebezisa kuso. Then my second charity was apha and ndiseQwangca currently. So phangase mall yethu kuba khona abantu abakhangela imisebenzi befike bebhalile bangaba umuntu uyi-painter uyi-welder and all that. So mna into endiyenzileyo I just took what I have ndaxova isonka ndenza ijuice and then ndabe sendincediswa ngomnye ke usese ukule pageant ndikuyo naye then semkasobanika because I believe that ubuntu and unikisa ngexesha lakho is one of the most important things, more especially kwabo bazidingayo.
Okay. Usuka kokubheka phambili zisekhona i-votes ezilindelekileyo okanye zivaliwe i-votes?
Oh, i-votes zivaliwe before I became a finalist, and glad enough abantu bayakwazile supporter, and I actually am the public choice winner and I'm automatically on the top 8. So thank you to everyone who has always been with me throughout the journey. And the next step now on the 27th, which is on Thursday, I'll be live on Instagram. You can follow Her Majesty. So there's a pre-judging, so it is part of the journey. And then another thing that I need to submit is just being active on social media, just to post your journey. Your nake izovalwa on Saturday. So abantu bangancedisa ngoba bandifollow on Instagram and like my posts.
Okay, khasinike i-accounts zakho.
Okay, on Instagram, I am Siwamgele Wude. It is written in small letters, please, because when we write in capital letters, you won't see me there. Then on Facebook, I am Siwamgele Kenchi Wude. Yes, those are the actual platforms that I'm currently using.
Okay, ikhona number ufumaneka kuyo?
Yes, of course. For WhatsApp, I am using 081 072 5698.
Alright. Kwagqibela nje ndicela ukunika ithuba ke uthethe nabantu abafuna ukufana nawe, abantu abafuna ungena kule industry, bakhona abathi bafuna ke ungenela nabo ngokwamaphupha abo. Ngathini uba motivator bangatyhofi endleleni?
Into endingayisho kuba ngaba always follow your dreams. and know that the sky is nothing but just a view, is not the limit. So logo ulandela amaphupho akho ngamaxesha onke, and there are many challenges that we're going to face in the journey, because abantu bazokujaja, because of, in some persons there is a category for swimwear, bazokujaja according to umzimba wakho, bathi ba you have stretch marks, how come you entered? Just be confident and believe in your dreams, because abantu bazohlala bethetha no matter what, when I just do what is right for you, and always be confident and always believe in yourself, because everything is possible. As long as you put your all in it, you will definitely make it.
Alright, Nkosi kakhulu ke Siwa, ngexesha lakho nathi siVukani FM sikunqwenelela ke impumelelo kwimizamo yakho.
Enkosi kakhulu bhuti, thank you so much for having me.
Alright, Nkosi kakhulu benguSiwa Mplo apha sekhaya utshilo wathi ke ucela uba ke nimxhase nimlandele phaa kumakhaya